What are Ruby gems? So a Ruby gem is a library where someone else wrote some code that's going to perform some action. For instance, there is a gem called devise that handles authentication for us. There's another gem called pay. This is a gem that will use the Stripe API to accept and handle payments for your application. There's a gem called Rails. This is the Ruby on Rails web framework gem that is installed and lets you run the Rails web framework. There are tons of other extra gems that you might use along with Rails, like Pundit for authorization, or you might use Annotate to go in and update your model files with different annotations. Head over to this GitHub repo called Awesome Ruby, where you'll find a giant list of lots of different solutions and gems that do things like build out admin interfaces or analytics, all the way to different CLI utilities. There's code formatters and things for debugging and tools for building out CRMs or working with crypto. There's just so many libraries that already exist that are written in Ruby that you can take advantage of, so you don't have to rebuild everything or build everything from scratch yourself.